Sure guys, welcome back to Speaker Now. I'm your boy Taylor DJ. So today Sibuyile album review. So today special album Afro Pop by uZoko SA. I think this guy is from eGqeberha. So Port Elizabeth. So keep album iphume nje early saqala unyaka. I think iphume around 25 January. So the album Afro Pop winning umeso 14. I think i-genre singathi album Afro Pop but mothi ayilalele nezinye ingoma ezinama element gospel so kuyazwakala kubuya ngathi i-album gospel but nje I think indlela maybe style sakhe maybe this guy one person I think what discover esontweni so nje ufuna ukwenza like i-review engoma engizwile le engathi izona enhla komqolo because I think le album iphume early lo nyaka lo ithi ngizoreacta kona but ngeke ngaphinde ngathi ukhohlwa until ngimbone perform I think beku April so khona ibirthday ekhona la bisemthatha ibirthday ka Master Dibe noBethusile bekade se bypass so I think after ngimbone lapho nami la ngibone konke okay I think i-review le album semele ngizwe because before that bengeke ngamuzwe eGagasini so there is a show at ikhona eAfro Pop host Mr Colin Zondo eGagasini Gagas FM eDurban so ikhona le bake bamfisa risha khona like I think album yakhe bengaphumi that time so because ikhona ingoma yakhe kuthiwa iqhawe lami la khona ngotata yakhe beke yaphuma before album so I think aqala lapho kumazibe so until ngize ngimbona ke performa live stage bypass and nakhona the time ngimbona ka performa ngesikhathi side so ngithi okay ake nginikitho bangela album yakhe I think abantu abaningi samele beyize album because inengoma eningi ezimnandi isitale sakhe si unique talent yakhe unique so nje ngizoqala ku-intro song yakhona moyilalela because i-title album umkhonto so molalela i-intro song ayibona sino isakhuluma ngalo umkhonto la kuthi umkhonto isikhalo ungalwa ngazo izimpi zakhe ekhona la I think iyona advice mhlawumbe umzali angayinikeza umntwana bephuma ukuthi lakhe moya khona lakhe anything oyenzayo lakhe umkhonto lakhe izilakhe umthandazo lakhe iyona indlela ongavula iminyango yakho so i-deep kakhulu and since kusanda kuba kuma-election umkhonto uyatrenda nase-KZN I think uZoko maybe engakude for wenze official song yomkhonto wesizwe like i-political party kaJacob Zuma so yeah but asikho lapho so ikhona ingoma engizwile i-Andindedwa so that is one song emotional kakhulu ngithema ngilalela nawo thando wayo ngiyathindeka because like ikhuluma ngawuthi la samba khona sambi sodwa bafethu so khona umuntu ongaphezulu kwazo zonke izinto ezenzakala emhlabeni so think abantu abaningi lo ngoma mele beyilalelisa hle benike isikhathi mhlawumbe nawe khona la ngaqoqozela khona so enye ingoma engithema ngizwa nami ya ngithintile nje yabo even today nje ungibona nje ilook namhlanje ngithuba formal yabo inspired by ilook kaZuku because say that lapha emthatha wafika egqoso Undertaker babesho njalo ku social media but this guy is always formal and umuntu like ya hlezi nithi so namhlanje ngithenga ngimhloniphe ya so there's also another song ebizwa umkhonto wafethi yo I think that is one song outstanding album oyilalela umkhonto igama album but khona ingoma ebizwa umkhonto ke la uzo deep ukuthi ukhuluma ngani molelela so yenye ingoma na ungamele uskip imodlala album I think imnandi kakhulu then there is a song interesting kakhulu baninzi enoxolo bafethu kwi production isazi mawukhona style wona ingoma kakhulu but unane verse na uxolo kuleyo ngoma I think enye ingoma na abantu abaningi mele benike isikhathi sayo and outstanding na even production nayo ihlukile nalezi zinye ingoma yabo thina esandla sangaphandle yabo because abantu abaningi ade sebenza nabo I think abantu akaqala ukusebenza nabo but leno enoxolo ithi okuhluka kakhulu naye ingoma imnandi kakhulu naye so i-album nje abantu abaningi I think kusamele benike isikhathi beyizwe ngiyazi mhlawumbe sekuphela u-format iphumile but still ise-dope and awekho ama-album abaningi asaphumile especially kule inside the Afro Pop so there's also another song ebizwa Amandla Akho yeah nayo strong powerful enye nayo ingoma enginothile lezi engike ngazizwa then bese kuba i-favorite song yami ku-album Empini yeah bafethu Empini I think ingoma powerful kakhulu ikhuluma ngezinto esibhekene nazo like ama-challenges e-youth abantu abaningi vele babhekene nawo so kahle kahle lesi-youth esemzali sonke sempini so bafethu masempini kumele ngempela uzazi ukuthi ikhali esilongazi iziphi so I think ingoma abantu kumele beyilalele kakhulu imnandi nje even indlela i-arrangewe ngayo I think yona ngoma nje best produced song ku-album then there is a song iqhawe lami lokuyona yayiphume early before i-album I think you actually now music video ku YouTube lapha so qhawe lami like la ikhuluma khona ngemfundiso ayephume nazo enike ubaba wakhe before engene ku entertainment industry noma kuthiwa kwenzakalani engalibali engakhohlwa ukuhlonipha abantu endleleni because inhlonipho iyona ezokuthatha ikubeke efana lokho. I think ingoma epowerful kakhulu and abantu abaningi bayarelate kuyona. Even ku YouTube moto ibheka ama-comment akhona abantu abaningi bashare iy'tori zabo, experience zabo, because even i-music video khona usisofisa rishiwe laphana na ku-music video lana uveza side lakhe la kubaba wakhe la indlela kamsiza ngani lezi graduate esikoleni. So I think ingoma nje eyisibonelo esihle especially kubantu abanama-present fathers. So shout out to all obaba abangabaleka. So I think enye ingoma nayo imnandi kakhulu leyo. So nje ziningi ingoma ezimnandi but ngizo-highlight lezi nami engiyithandile. But there's a song ndingakuthanda, yeah, that is the one love song emele ukuthi mhlawumbe mawuthi mhlawumbe nawe semjoleni nomuntu ongama-understandi kahle maybe ukuthi mhlawumbe into eni-serious noma i-casual yabo ngingwamlayelisa leyo ngoma leyo just ukuthi umbeke esithombeni nami ngithe nami ngiyizwa leyo ngoma ngathi yo hayi kusamele ngisendele umuntu wami enginayo nami ethi ukuyizwa kahle mhlawumbe nami yabo ngayibona iposition engiyona. I think iyona ngoma leyo. So lethi abantu bengamoshela isikhathi uyazi iposition yakho kuyona. So iyona leyo album angifuni ukwenza kube ivideo ende kakhulu because kade yaphuma album but I think iyakudeserve ukuthi nathi uspeaker nawe as a channel ibe khona kuma review yethu because album edope and umjida lo I think i-style sakhe si-unique kakhulu because ikhona ingoma ephumile I think uyenze noYanga. So i-EP yaYanga uYanga ukhiphe i-EP last week. So ikhona ingoma enoZuku night. So le i-EP kusamele si-react kuyona. So there's one song nje ngizwile uYanga noZuku mothi ku-YouTube ubheke leyo ngoma, beautiful song. So umjida nje powerful kakhulu. So shout out to Izuko SA. So but thina izospeaker nawe kumele siwasha ama-ratings ya. So i-album inengoma eziwu-14 and sesilalela isikhathi esithi sengizwile. I think mina ngayinika u-8 or solid nje 8 out of 10. So I think album i-right ayinawo ama-features amaningi. Into engiyithandayo lakho umuntu besafika kwi-industry especially singakamazi sifuna ukumuzwa italente lakhe. So mawuze uzoba nama-features amaningi sibele singasakwazi ukuthi wena ukuthi strong akubi. So I think nje abantu abaningi especially be-hip hop kusamele bemfeaturishe lo mjida because after ngizwe kuleya ngoma yaYanga hayi ngizwile ukuthi no uyafitha umjida wakhila amahoki and ingoma nje vele inikeze imelody nje epholile. So I think this is one guy kusamele sithi ufocus again especially ukuthi umuntu othanda i-afro pop noma umuntu othanda i-gospel. I think this guy yeah umunye umuntu olandela. So show speaker nawe sekhona ku Twitter @speaker nawe, Facebook speaker nawe, YouTube sawadropa nakhona ama-video speaker nawe, sikhona na ku TikTok speaker nawe, Instagram ukuthi mhlawumbe ungafuna ukubonisa senza nedala because asekho active ngawo khona but sekhona nakhona. So yeah, I'm your boy Taylor DJ, we out.